Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change profile effect on Discord. So, if you want to change your profile effect, what you want to do first is here we are on the direct messages, first page. We're going to click on our avatar right at the bottom in the top left corner, click on our avatar again, and here we will open up our main profile. Make sure that you're not on some server, because if you're on the server, then everything will be different. So this is our main profile. If we want to add the profile effect, here we click on the left one. So this is the frame, this is the profile effect. Once we click here, we can choose our effect. Remember, a lot of them are paid, exclusive to Nitro, or you just need to have them from an event, for example. So as you guys can see, here we got the cycling lights vaporwave, and as you guys can see, the only option to get them is to buy them or redeem them from the orbs that you can get from quests. For example, watching videos or playing a game for around 15 to 30 minutes. Now, you can easily just apply it by clicking here. Instead of the Get Nitro button, here you'll have Apply button, and you will have your random profile effect, that whatever you choose. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.